Now, we are looking at ketones. It is in ketones we have propanol, butanol. How do we go about that? Now, go back to your alkene family. Remove one atom of carbon and remove 2 atoms of hydrogen. So when that is done, at the middle, replace or put or install at the middle the functional group of ketone, which is what? CO. I am working on propane. Propane is C3H8. C3H. So when you remove one carbon, one atom of carbon, I have C. I have another C, meaning remain just 2C. Now remove 2 hydrogen. I will having 3 here. I will having 3 here. So meaning hydrogen is now 6 minus 2. Then carbon is now 2 minus 1. Then at the middle you put CO. So what you have on the board is an example of ketone, and it is called propanol. Propanol. Now butanol is coming from butane. This is butane. C4H10. C4H10. Now remove 1 hydrogen, 1 carbon here. I will having C. I will having C. I will having C. So that is 3C. Now remove 2 hydrogen here. Here becomes C3. Here becomes C3. Here becomes 2. Because 3 plus 3, that is 6. Then plus 2, that is 8. Then at the middle, you have what? CO. So at the middle, you can have CO. So what you have now is an example of ketone, and it is called butanol. So you write it together. CH3, CO, CH2, CH3. So that is on that. So just follow my analysis on how many atoms of carbon and hydrogen you are removing to form each of the oxygen containing what? Compound, like alkanol, alkanoic, aldehyde, ketone. Now the very last one I'll be looking at, let me just look at one of them, which is when carbon bond with what? Nitrogen. I can form amine. It can form amine, and it can form amine. Let me just pick one of them. Amine. So whatever question you have, you can send it to me. So amine. Now here, what are we trying to do? We are trying to go back to alkene family. Alkene. We are working with alkene and ammonia, and this is ammonia. We are working with alkene and what? Ammonia to form amine. Now, what are you going to do? Remove 1 hydrogen atom from the ammonia. So here we are having a. Now, pick any alkene family now. One of the family is methyl, so which is CH3. So what we have here now is methylamine. Methylamine. That is what we have. Let me take it again. It's a very simple thing to learn. So let me take it again. So how do we form amine group? The functional group is NH2. That's the functional group. NH2. And how do we get this NH2? Is by the reduction of just 1 hydrogen atom from ammonia. Since ammonia is NH3. So when we take away just 1 hydrogen atom, we have amine. Okay. How do we now form the group called amines? I said we need to understand alkene family. Now pick any alkene family plus this functional group of amine. So one of the alkene family is methyl, and that is CH3, methyl. Plus this, and we are having CH3NH2. So what you have on the board here is called, this is methyl, and this is amine. So it's called methylamine. Another alkene family is C2H5. Now plus this functional group, which is NH2. So this is ethyl, this is amine. So I can call this one ethylamine. That is how you be generating names for amines, and that is the bond between carbon and nitrogen. The bond between carbon and nitrogen, which can form either amine or amine. In amine, this is a functional group, and this is how you pronounce it, mine. In amine, this is a functional group, CONH2, and we pronounce it as what? Mind. So this is where we are going to stop our discussion in hydrocarbon. So if you have any other question, or whether in the area of IUPAC name or in the area of functional group, you can just let us know so that we can do one or two things to assist ourselves. Thank you very much, and we'll meet in the next class.